Today I'm showing you a quick shortcut that you can use for making breakfast in the morning. My kids love pancakes. Sometimes I feel like it's all they ask for. But it's not fun pulling out all those ingredients 3 or 4 times a week. Now I still love to cook them a warm breakfast instead of batch cooking on a Sunday and reheating frozen pancakes, which is totally fine. It doesn't really make a difference to them, but it makes a difference to me. So to make it way easier to do something that I love, I batch prep the dry ingredients. This way, instead of grabbing 4 kind of heavy bags and spilling everything all over the place 4 times a week, I take them out once, mix together 4 or 5 batches of the dry ingredients to have on hand whenever I want to throw together some pancakes. All you need are your dry pancake ingredients. I'll link the recipe that I use in the description. This audio might be a little better. So all you need are your dry pancake ingredients, a container to hold your finished product, and 4 or 5 zip top bags, which you can usually reuse these a bunch of times before tossing them. One tip that helps a lot with not spilling the flour is to put the zip top bag in a wide glass or bowl, so you don't have to hold it open while you're measuring and pouring. Once the flour goes in the bag can stay upright by itself, so you can move them to your container and add the baking powder, salt, sugar, or whatever your favorite recipe calls for. Once you're done, store your container in a cabinet or pantry shelf, and now you can make pancakes without the dusty mess. You're just going to pour your bag contents into a bowl, add your wet ingredients, and your batter is done. I love shortcuts like these. They're the best way to smooth out our day and make the way for the life we want. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.